Hi everyone, I'm so excited to share with you this beautiful farmhouse winter Christmas decor with a buffalo check truck carrying a Christmas tree sign saying coming home in the snowy scene, a sign, a beautiful one. Today I'm so excited to be part of a home decor collaboration that is hosted seasonally by Deco Easy. Jani and Diane are the two lovely ladies who own the channel Deco Easy, and they got us a group of friends together to bring a collaboration together of beautiful DIY videos every season. So I'll put links to Deco Easy's channel and to the playlist in the description box of my video. So once you've watched this video, please go ahead to the description box and watch all the other videos in the playlist. And if you're new here, please look around. My channel is all about doing lots of DIYs, trash to treasure, high-end dupes, and if you love such content, please consider subscribing to my channel. My today's video is also part of my 14 days of Christmas DIYs playlist, which is also linked in the description box of this video. My today's DIY is inspired from Kirkland's sign, which is sold here for $49.99. So I started by going onto internet and finding this beautiful truck pattern in buffalo check, and I had it printed out on an A4 size paper. Now A4 size paper print is pretty flimsy, so I need to give it more strength. So I cut out the printout of the truck very carefully not to damage any part of it, and once it's out, I glued it over a cardstock paper. I made sure there is no wrinkles and no bubbles inside it. Then I cut this whole truck out again from the cardstock paper. So now I have a sturdy sign of a buffalo check truck. It already started to look very farmhouse chic. Now, any guesses what this is? This is basically a stained glass with a plastic frame around it. If you have guessed it, this is very old item. This used to be as an anti-glare screen in front of big desktop computers earlier. Now we don't have that big desktop computer, but I saved this for using it in my DIYs. So I'm using the stained glass specially because I wanted it to give the look of a window scene in a dark night. And I want to make a snowy night out of it. Now to give further elevation, I am adding a piece of cardboard, gluing it right where I want the truck to be. And over this piece of cardboard, I am gluing my truck. Next, I am adding some glue in the region below the truck because I want to give a snowy effect here. For the snow, I am using cotton. So I am taking the cotton out in form of sheets and just pasting it here below the truck, underneath the wheels of the truck, to just make a level of ground covered with snow, and the rest of the glass, stained glass that is seen above, is going to be the dark night. Now because it's a stained glass, it will have that beautiful effect of 3D effect of sky and the snow in front. Now I wanted the truck to carry the Christmas tree home. So I am using this redwood green leaves, and I have cut it in a shape that it would look like a Christmas tree, and I am going to glue it onto this glass slightly behind the truck so that it looks as if it is sitting in the truck. Now to give it more fuller look on the front of this tree, I'm going to glue more of these leaves so that it looks bushy and looks like a natural tree. Now let there be some more snow. So I'm going to take some white acrylic paint and just do hand lettering and write down "Coming Home." It's crude, but it's beautiful. It looks handmade, homemade, and the warmth, cozy feel is there. So once I wrote the words "coming home," I just took the same brush and made blotches all over the stained glass piece that was showing through to resemble snow. Now if you have some glitters, if you like to use them, you can use them in place of snow or over the snow. And then I even added some white cotton balls over the Christmas tree. You will see that later on. Now for the frame, it still doesn't shine up so much, it's still not looking nice. So for the frame, I took some cardboard sturdy pieces and measured it to the length that would match that of the frame, and folded it to form like a groove, a C-shaped groove, and then I glued them together all around the frame, covering the plastic portion, and I glued them together and attached them together using some tape. Then I took some black acrylic paint and a little diluted with water so that it works as a stain, so that there are no blotches of deep paint and it would look like a stained wood. And I went all over the frame to give it a nice, neat framed look, and I think it started to look nice. Now to give it a little finishing touch, I glued these little leaves on either ends of this frame, and I have this beautiful silver flowers, roses, and I'm going to glue them on top of the leaves because I wanted to keep the neutral colors. Therefore I went with the color scheme of white, silver, green over shades of black and gray. I think this has turned out so beautiful, so farmhouse chic, perfect for the winter, perfect for the Christmas. What's better than the words saying "coming home"? It's the time of the year when you want your near and dear close to you and you want the Christmas or the festive cheer. This farmhouse chic winter Christmas decor is, I think, one of my favorites. Do let me know what you think about my today's DIY in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and if you love the content of my channel, please subscribe. And do go into the description box of this video and visit all my friends in today's collaboration for lovely ideas. You're going to love them. Thank you so much, everybody. I'll see you soon again with another DIY. Until then, stay positive, be creative, and be happy. Thank you, everyone.